Hello, this is Cardi Cartoons, and yesterday I went on Amazon.com and bought this new sketchbook that is like 100 sheets. It's a Artiza sketchbook, which is a lot smaller than my other sketchbooks, but I can it's a little personal sketchbook that I can draw little doodles in instead of like mostly just for comics. Well, my other sketchbooks are usually just more for comics and stuff. I draft my comics, and today I'm gonna do my first drawing in the sketchbook, which is gonna be my own alien design. Yep, from one of my comics that I drew a long time ago, which was, I think it was Super Sci-Fi, but now it's known as Crappy Discovery because Super Sci-Fi is a little too 80s. Would you say too 80s? 1980s? Those 1980s cartoons? Yeah, so I renamed it to Scrappy Discovery, and I'm going to draw the alien species that's from it, which is my own series and stuff. So first we're going to start off with one of the aliens from it. Have you noticed taking inspiration from many animals like frogs? I mean, I'm not a fan of like real life frogs because they can be kind of creepy, and it's still like amphibians are still kind of interesting kind of creatures. Even though I may not like them, I still find them kind of interesting for being one of the oldest life forms on the planet. Yeah. It's a character design. I really like this sketchbook because I can just do little doodles. And here, and the aliens also have sharp teeth, so they appear threatening as the main antagonist to Scrappy Discovery. If you want to know more about Scrappy Discovery, you can always check out my DeviantArt for it. I still upload to DeviantArt and Instagram. You can always check those out. And I'm not going to draw the entire body because it's just a simple sketch. There's two aliens right there. I'm going to draw an alien down here. Looks very frog-like. Very lizard-like too. And now I'm gonna draw the alien queen of this species. And unlike a Erder, and unlike the other alien counterparts, she can actually talk. That's the alien queen. I'm a little focused on my drawing. This is why I haven't been talking that much. Yep, and this is like the alien species that I drew. Yeah, like I said before, is depending on certain other animals, like bearded dragons. You see like this hairline, like kind of like a bearded dragon, and then you have the body who's like lizard-like, very frog-like too. And that's what I got my inspiration from. And of course, the alien queen's mostly more humanoid than the other aliens of their species. More human-like, in the fact that she talks compared to the other aliens, because she's more intelligent than the other ones. That's why she's the leader. And that's pretty much it.